Hi students, how are you all? I think you are all good. Now I am going to start the chapter Arithmetic Progression. We can write in short form as AP. AP means what? Arithmetic Progression, not Andhra Pradesh. A sequence, series or numbers. This is the meaning. Sequence, series or numbers in which each term differs from its preceding term. Preceding means the before term by a constant difference. Constant difference is called an arithmetic progression written as AP. The constant difference is called common difference. Now I am going to explain the definition through an example, then you can understand more clear. This is the definition of arithmetic progression. The sequence, I told you, sequence means series of numbers. Don't see seriously. Series of numbers means continuous numbers are in AP. AP means what? Arithmetic progression. Here the sequence in arithmetic progression lies like this: A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on like that. The last one will be A plus n minus 1 into D. This is called sequence, or this is known as series, or these are the numbers. While doing problems, you will understand still more. Now, here the first term, this is called first term. T1 means first term is A. Second term, T2, second term, T2, A plus D, like the third term, fourth term, so on. 10th term, what is the 10th term? 10th term of an AP. We are in arithmetic progression. So, 10th term of an AP, we write in shortcut T10. What is the meaning of T10? 10th term, repeat, 10th term. How to write 10th term means just use, write one less, that's all number. Here 10 comes means one less means 9. A plus 9D. Practice. Suppose 15th term, 15 means one lesser. A plus 14D. Like that you practice. A, now 100th term, T100 is equal to A plus 99D. 50th term of an AP, say A plus 49D, just one less you tell. T24, what is the meaning of T24? 24th term of an AP. In shortcut, we are writing as T24. But the meaning is what? Say the meaning. 24th term of an AP is equal to A plus 23D. T20 means what? 20th term of an AP. How much? A plus 99D. T20 means not, don't think, 2020. You'll get plenty then. So, in general term or last term or nth term, three names are there: general term, last term, nth term. These three meaning same formula of an AP is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the general term, or we can say as last term or nth term. Three names for one person, I told you. Some persons will have three names. Same person only with three different names. In the same way here also. General term, last term, nth term. What is the formula? General term of an AP, A plus n minus 1 into D. Last term of an AP, A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term of an AP, Tn. Tn indicates nth term. T10 indicates 10th term. T20 indicates 20th term. This is the general. Tn, A plus n minus 1 into D. Now exercise 10A. Show that the progression 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. So are is an AP. This is the sequence given and they are asking whether it is in AP or not. E is in AP or not, we have to tell. We have to show that. Write down its first one, first term, second common difference, third one, 20th term. Solution given. What is the sequence given? 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, so on is an AP. They are not telling are in AP. Whether they are in AP or not, we are going to find. Here the first term. What is the first term? T1 is equal to A is equal to 11. Second term of an AP, T2 is equal to A plus T is equal to 13. Third term of an AP, T3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 15. So on like that. Now common difference. How to find common difference? We represent common difference as D. D means common difference. What is the formula means? From the previous term, preceding term, T2 minus T1, 13 minus 11. 13 minus 11 is 2. With one thing we can't confirm whether it is an AP or not. We have to go for the second one also, second option also. What is the second common difference means? From T3 minus T2. T3 minus, from third term you are subtracting second term. 15 minus 13 is 2. So same difference should come. That is called common difference. Not only there, anywhere you check, orally, mentally, in mind, in brain. 19 minus 17, 2. Which term? T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. T5 minus T4, 2. T4 minus T3, 2. So mentally, with these two we came to conclude. What is the conclusion means? Therefore the given sequence or series or given problem is in AP. They told to show that, therefore we are telling it is in AP. When it is in AP, then we can find all these. First term we represent as T1. The first term is A is equal to 11. Common difference, just now we found common difference, not 1. 2 we have found. How much we got? Answer we got 2. That we wrote. Common difference represent with D. Small letter D indicates common difference. Is equal to 2. Third one, 20th term of an AP. Shortcut T20 means 20th term of an AP. T20. I told you just one less you have to write. A plus is common. 19D. Here 20 came. 19D. Practice. 20th term. T20 is equal to A plus 19D. A plus 19D means 19 into D. This is all one term, second term. So put in bracket. 19 into 2. From where we got this 2? Common difference D, just now we found that 2. We are substituting. So A plus 19 2s are 38. Add 11 plus 38, 49. Conclusion. Therefore, 20th term of an AP is equal to 49. Third term. Show that the progression 10, 6, 2, minus 2, minus 6, so on is an AP. Whether they are an AP or not, we have to show first. Write down its first term, common difference, and third one is 10th term. Solution given, the sequence you are writing 10, 6, 2, minus 2, minus 6, so on is an AP. AP means what? Arithmetic progression. Here, first term we represent as T1, A is equal to 10. Second term T2 is equal to A plus D, 6. Third term T3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 2. Fourth term T4 is equal to A plus 3D is equal to minus, like that, so on. Now, common difference formula D, we represent common difference with the small letter D. T2 minus T1, this is the formula. T2 minus, learn this formula. D is equal to T2 minus T1. 6 minus 10. T2 minus, second term minus first term is minus 4. Next, you can find T3 minus T2 also. Now I am going for T4 minus T. Anywhere on whole sequence your difference should be same. Now T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. T4 minus, purposefully I am doing to make you to understand what is the meaning of difference and what is the meaning of common difference. On the whole, the difference should be same. Then only common. Common punishment if you give, no problem. Different punishments, you know, reaction how it will be. Your face feelings. In the same way here, common difference. Difference should be common. T4 minus T3. T4 is minus 2 minus T3 is 2. This is formula minus. Fourth term minus 2 minus third term is 2. So minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. Same answer came. Then we came to confirm that therefore the given series or sequence or numbers are in AP. Is in AP means yes, they are in AP. Now, first bit they told to find first term. What is the first term of an AP? We represent as T1, that is equal to 10 because first term. Common difference. Through formula we have found, same we got as minus 4. Third one they are asking to find 10th term of an AP. What is the formula for 10th term? Just one subtract, it will know. A plus 90. A is 10 plus, what is the meaning of 90? 9 into D. So 9 into minus 4. 10 plus into minus, minus 36. 10 minus 36 is minus 26. Fifth problem. Show that the progression 6, 7, 3 by 4, comma, 9, 1 by 2, comma, 11, 1 by 4 is in AP. Now, write down its first term, common difference, 17th term. Now, the given series are 6, comma, 7, 3 by 4, comma, 9 1 by 2, comma, 11 1 by 4, so on. They have given in mixed fractions. Don't worry. Convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction. 6 comma 31 by 4. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3, 31 by 4. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. 4 11s are 44. 44 plus 1, 45 by 4. So on are it. Is in AP. Here the first term is equal to T1 is equal to A is equal to 6. Second term T2 is equal to A plus D. That is how much? 31 by 4. Third term T3 is equal to A plus 3D. That is equal to 19 by 2. You are finding common difference. We represent with the small letter D. And the formula is T2 minus T1. 31 by 4 minus 6. 31 by 4 minus 6, the previous term, preceding term. Here 4 is the CM. 4, 6 are 24. 4 is CM. 31 minus 24 is 7 by 4. So 7 by 4 is D, common difference. We are compulsory, we have to go for the second option also. Whether here also the same comes, then it is in AP. Otherwise, here the difference is not coming same. It is not in AP. Now, another T2 minus T1 we did. We are going for second option. 3 2 minus T2. T3 minus T2. From first, second, third. Third term minus second term. T3 minus T2 is equal to 19 by 2 minus 31 by 4. For 2 and 4, LCM is 4. You have to find LCM side. Part and parcel of the problem. 2 goes in 4 2 times. 19 2s are 38. Minus 4 goes in 4 1 time. 131 is 31. 38 minus 31 is 7 by 4. So the common difference is same. When the common difference is same, what you will write? Therefore, the given sequence are in AP. You have to write this conclusion. After finding this common difference, only they are confirming whether the sequence is in AP or not. Therefore, the given sequence are in AP. Then only we can proceed for the problem. Otherwise, here the common difference is not coming same. With here we will conclude problem. We won't get first term, common difference, 17th term. Okay, whatever may be asked. Now first one. First term T1 is equal to A is equal to 6. Second, common difference just now we found D is equal to 7 by 4. Third one, they are asking to find 17th term of an AP. What is that? T17 means 17th term. A plus 16D, just one less, very easy. This is not much difficult. So practice. 6 plus 16 into 7 by 4. 16D one term. So keep bracket. Without keeping bracket it won't be. Meaning will not come. Brackets compulsory. First term, second term. 4 goes in 16 4 times. If there is any cancellation, simplification, simplify it. Now 4 goes in 16 4 times. 6 plus 4 7s are 28. 6 plus 28 is 34. Therefore, 17th term of an AP is equal to 34.